Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WordPress.com for no-code plugin like page builders, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.wordpress.com and press enter. You will be directed to the WordPress.com homepage. Look for the Get Started button, usually located prominently on the page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click Continue. Next, choose a username for your account. Make sure your username is unique and reflective of your brand or purpose. Once you have selected a username, click Continue. Now it's time to create a password. Choose a strong password and enter it in the provided field. After entering your password, click Continue. You will be taken to a page where you can select a plan. For no-code page builders, the free plan is often sufficient. Select the free plan option and click Start with Free. Now, you will need to choose your website's address or domain name. Enter your desired domain name in the box provided. WordPress.com will suggest available options if your first choice is taken. Select the domain that best fits your needs and click Select. Next, review any additional features or upgrades that are. For now, you can skip or dismiss any paid upgrades if you're focusing on the free version. After reviewing, click Continue. You are now on the final setup page. Fill in your site's title and any other information that is prompted. Once you have completed this, click Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully registered an account on WordPress.com. You will then be taken to your new site's dashboard. From here, you can explore various no-code page builders available for use. Start customizing your site with user-friendly tools and options. Enjoy creating your new website with WordPress.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.